Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to week 2 of digital learning at home. This week, everything you're going to need will be in one easy place. It's going to be on a slideshow, which I'm fixing to show you. I'm going to show you all the activities, and I think you will definitely enjoy the interaction with the videos and the games, etc. And to wrap up the week, you will have a quiz. So all of this is going to be on your Google Classroom. So when you're on your Google Classroom and you have logged on, under Streaming tab, you will have some instructions. It will say Digital Learning, March 30th through April 3rd. Please carefully read everything in the description before you just start clicking on links, okay? Follow the directions. All right. So once you've done that, you're going to click on the video and you're going to open it up and it's going to look just like this screen. So what I need you to do is go up here where it says present, right here, and click the present button, and you will have your full screen available. This says Monday whole group instruction. Here are your directions. Every day you will read the yellow box first and follow the steps. Step 1 says to click on the image in the green box. Step 2, click on the link in the orange box. And step 3, click on the link in the blue link. So let's try it. Let's go to the step 1 is to watch the recording. And that's really, really tiny, isn't it? So what you need to do is click full screen. All right? Click full screen and then you can watch the teaching video. And then after you've done that step, you will go to the orange box and you will click on this, and this should pop up. And you will click on each slide and continue. This is from Mrs. Jones. She added that for you guys to do. And then we're going to click on the blue link, and this will get you here. Now, boys and girls, when you see this puzzle piece right here, if you get that, you have to enable your Adobe Flash Player. So click on the puzzle piece, and mine's already set to run, so then I hit allow here, and then I get to the game. If you're having trouble, let me know. I have a video that can show you how you can get your Adobe running, or maybe one of your big brothers or sisters or parents can help you with that. Okay? So, you're finished with all your stuff for Monday. When you come back on Tuesday, go back to your slide on Google Classroom and find the slide that says Tuesday. And again, you're going to read the directions in the yellow box and follow the order of each of your things right here. It tells you green box, orange box, and then the blue box. And again, click on the link and watch the video. Then you're going to do the orange box, and you have to put a code here. So make sure you write this code down, KPRLW. And it also tells you right here, you need working paper and a pencil. So have that available before you get started every day, paper and pencil. And then you'll click on this link right here, and it will take you to this page here, and where it says student, that's where you're going to put your code right here. And then click on that, and you'll have an activity, hopefully, that Miss Ivory made that you will enjoy. Let me know how you like it. And again, multiplication, fruit splat. So play that. Then you're done for your math for Tuesday. On Wednesday, come back go to Google Classroom and find the Wednesday slide in the presentation. This should be like the third or fourth slide. Again, here's the directions, so read the directions. And if you notice, we have a pattern: green box, orange box, blue box. And this lesson is on interpreting the remainder. So we're talking about division in this lesson. Okay, when you've done all those activities, you're done for Wednesday. Make sure you have paper and pencil too. And when you come back Thursday, same thing. Click on the PowerPoint and continue to scroll through till you find Thursday. Here's your lesson for Thursday. It's the same order. Read the directions in the yellow box. Click on watch the video in the green box. Do the quizzes or the fun activities in the orange box. And then here is a practice of your division facts. When you finish all of those things, you're done for Thursday. All right, guess what? Friday. Come back on Friday. Get back on Google Classroom. Get on the same PowerPoint that you've been doing the whole week. Find the last slide. It's dated April 3rd, Friday. And this is a choice board that Miss Jones has created. And in this choice board, you have to start with the star question. Everyone has to do this one. And then you can either do number 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. I don't care, as long as you choose 2 other activities. So you'll have a total of 3 activities to do. You can take a picture of them and email that to me, and that would be awesome. All right. Then the last thing you'll do is on your stream feed, in your Google Classroom, you will click on where it says interpret the remainder quiz. This quiz, you have to put your first and last name on it. There is a space for you. You also have to answer all 4 questions. They're multiple choice, but please make sure you use paper and pencil to do your multiplication and division and interpret your remainder. At the end, there's a question about how did you feel about this week's work. You need to make sure that you click where it says turn in, or it might say submit this quiz. But please make sure your name is on it. This week, we will officially start taking a grade. All right, I will see you guys Wednesday at the 11 o'clock Zoom meeting for Miss Ivory's class, 10 o'clock Zoom meeting for Miss Poole's class, and 9 o'clock Zoom meeting for Miss Hendrickson's class. And I will check with my homeroom class for our Grateful Hangout meeting on Friday at 11. Zoom.us. Thank you. Have a wonderful week.